Speed up and transform your business with Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is best for facilitating business transformation for your clients. Business transformations possible through systems, processes, people, and technology. Your client's business productivity and competitiveness should always be a top priority for you to speed up a business. For business transformation, Office 365 is ideal in terms of productivity, collaboration and communication tools that satisfy all the requirements. Microsoft 365 is offering services in 3 focused areas including security, productivity and education, and it will help speed up business transformation. Microsoft 365 can help your clients to achieve their goals, and increase their productivity and effectiveness in speeding up their business transformation. For more updates, call us or visit our website and subscribe to our channel.